Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card pyramid. Let's begin by selecting a smooth, level surface, like a table, to ensure stability for your structure. You'll need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. The first step involves forming the foundational triangles. Take 2 cards and lean them against each other, creating an inverted V shape. This forms the base unit for your entire pyramid. Now, let's build upon those initial triangles. Carefully place a third card flat across the top of each V-shape, creating a small, stable platform. You'll then connect these individual triangular units by laying additional cards flat between them. Maintain consistent spacing, about 1/2 inch, between each triangular base. This forms the first complete level of your card pyramid, providing a strong foundation for subsequent layers. With your first level complete, it's time to add more height. You'll repeat the process of forming V-shapes, but this time, build them directly on top of the flat cards of the level below. Each successive level will naturally require fewer cards, creating the pyramid's tapering shape. Exercise extreme care and a light touch when placing each card. A steady hand is crucial to prevent the entire structure from toppling over. To complete your impressive card pyramid, continue stacking levels, making each one smaller than the last. You'll eventually reach a point where only a single triangular base can be formed at the very top. Carefully place one final card flat across this uppermost triangle to cap off your creation. Remember, patience is key throughout this entire process. Take your time, and you'll successfully construct a magnificent card pyramid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.